Hey guys, welcome back to Caveman Mining. I hope everyone is well and having a great day. On today's video, we are going to be simply showing you guys how to mine the popular and ever-growing FLUX coin. Now this week there has been a ton of buzz around the coin. As you can see here, the value has just simply skyrocketed, okay? All the way up to we're up to $1.72, 73 cents as of tonight, which is pretty amazing. So $1.69 as we stand today. So we're going to jump right into it and show you guys how to mine Flux, and it is pretty easy. So the first thing you want to do is go to runonflux.io/mining is the website. And the first thing you're going to do is download Zelcore, because what that will do is that will present you with the software to obtain your wallet. That is going to be crucial for when you obtain Flux. You need a place for it to go, and you need, when you get your miner configured up and your pools configured up, you need a place to point the miner. So make sure you download Zelcore, and when you get Zelcore going, you know, you're going to be presented with some different options. You'll choose Flux, and then you'll go to receive, and then you'll just be able to grab your address there by just clicking the QR code to copy it. So that's one crucial thing you'll need. So the next step that we are going to do is we are going to go to the pool, and the website that you guys are going to go to is fluxpools.net, and this is where we will be able to go ahead and configure up our miner batch sheet to interface with the pool. It is a pretty cool site. They are the highest hash rate on the network for Flux pools. We are going to go ahead now and click the Getting Started tab. And here is where we're going to go ahead and fill out our wallet address. We're going to paste that from the Zelcore. We're going to put in our worker name, no password. And here are the options for the miners. You have gminer for NVidia cards, lawminer for AMD, and mini Z for NVIDIA as well. Please pay attention to the pool servers, and then you'll see the compatible list of GPU miners, lawminer, gminer. You're going to see the minimum versions that you can run for each miner. So I've seen people out there bashing their heads on the table because they just simply are not paying attention. When that happens, that's when getting these strange error messages. I've seen cases where you're running old miners, so keep that in mind. And go ahead and choose your OS. For us it's Windows, and then just simply hit copy. Now I've gone ahead already and extracted the gminer. So when you get into the gminer, you just want to paste that argument in miner setup within the .bat file, and you have the miner, your wallet, again your worker, the server, the ports, passwords, and then Zelproof is the algorithm that we're pointing there. So it's zelcache.bat. And we've already gone ahead and we ran this on our machine. So just double clicking. Now I have a 2070 Max Q. It is the laptop edition. I just put the laptop into quiet mode. So that's why you see our temperatures going way up. I'm going to go ahead and move this up to extreme performance. I hope the noise canceling on our microphone steps in a little bit here, because it's going to get a little bit toasty. Let me see if I can manually turn off the fan. There we go, because that was just way too loud. We'll put it in balance for now. And a couple other things as this miner is going here that I want to show you guys, and we'll see if that hash rate ramps up, is the whattomine. Now we're going to just take an example in here, a 2070. If we just had a regular 2070, this would be the profitability outcome against 10 cents electric rate. You're looking at $4.04 a day on a single card, a 2070. That is pretty nuts. So you're able to really get a lot of value of flux on here. So that is pretty good. You can go ahead and choose some other cards just to see. Get a 6800, maybe that's not as profitable. I've seen the AMD cards like the 20 series seem to be super good on Flux. So like an example, a 2060, $3.42. So on and so forth, right? You can choose a 2080, and yeah, right there again, $5.38. So stupid value in terms of profitability. Just grab the opportunity. Grab the bull by the horns, right? That's what we say. So one thing that I do also want to show you is this site, grid.is. And I can leave a link in the description for all of these websites for overclock ideas on Flux. So for us, we've got a 2070. And you can see it wants us to do 200 on the core and then 500 on the memory for our overclocks. So, definitely a little bit different than mining Ethereum. That's what we've got punched in to the MSI Afterburner. And yeah, right now, like I said, I kind of, for the sake of recording the video, I turned the extreme mode off. I've got the fans not as high as they could go. I think I was able to get this up to 32 mega hash on this Mobile Max Q, which was the highest we were able to go. So we're sitting at 24 souls. 24 souls, not mega hash. I keep saying mega hash, but 24 souls seems to be the rate that we're mining at. So pretty cool. I'm gonna probably mine Flux for a few days. I may even dabble with a few other cards potentially on here to see what we do. And then, going back to the Flux pool, you can go ahead and put in the search. And whoops, we don't have that. Let's go back and copy. You can go ahead and copy our wallet address and punch that in for the search result, and that'll give you the live view on hash rate and shares and performance, all of that stuff. So you're able to, at the pool, to be able to track your profitability in payments and such there. So we've got nothing here yet, but we'll mine this for a little bit. Definitely seems like a cool pool to try to mine. I also noticed if we go back to pools, I think there was a notification about parallel asset mining. So the long-awaited Flux parallel asset mining distribution is now live. Keep an eye on your mining address for regular bonus payouts. So some type of incentive to get people into the pool, some extra bonus and payouts there. So interesting for sure. I am willing to experiment and try to see if I can get as much Flux as I possibly can. And yeah, guys, let me know. Are you mining this? Are you riding the wave and the craze? And yeah, what kind of cards are you mining with? Do you think this has a long-term viable profitability, or is this a simple dump and pump and dump rather that we've seen in the market as of late? But the market looks good. Ethereum is way up. Bitcoin is way up. All the other altcoins are up as well, so things are looking good. But with that said, guys, I'm going to cut the video here. I hope you learned something. Give the Flux mining a try, and yeah, please hit that like and subscribe button if you like what you saw, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. Take care.